get the windshield wipers removed. As you can see, I'm just using a screwdriver. I'm gonna go ahead and put something here, pry it up, pop that right off. We're gonna save these because they're gonna go back on, and we'll get a wrench and get those removed. So next step, after getting those windshield wipers removed, we're gonna go ahead and get this front cowl piece, windshield cowl cover, whatever they call it. We're gonna go ahead and remove that by starting with these little clips, prying those out. So let's get a screwdriver, we'll get that going. Always put the tools back, keep them in place. So now we're gonna go ahead and start prying this with a screwdriver. There really is a tool to remove it, but I don't have that right now, so we're gonna just go ahead, simply pry this both sides, pull that up. There you have it, comes right out. Go ahead and set this down. I'll leave the camera going and I'll be back if I get this off. It's about 9 or 10 of those. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this, which is hooked through there. This is to make the windshield wiper fluid sprayed onto the windshield. We're gonna get that out of the way. And this little weather stripping, keep the water from the rain coming down. Simply pull that out, store that to the side. All right, we're back. I had to switch to my iPhone. GoPro went full on memory. So what we're gonna do is, we got all the clips out. We're gonna go ahead and start by just simply pulling up on this. I like a little bit of double-sided tape on there or something. So we're gonna go to this side, start prying over here. Simply pull up on it. You can see right here, it's a little bit of foam taping. Had it stuck down. We got this one out the way. We're gonna go ahead and continue to the other side. Simply pull in. Alright. Save that, so it'll be going back on. Now as we got it off, as you can see, we have the filter in here for the AC and heater. To keep all the trash and dust and debris out. And we have the windshield wiper motor and wiper arms itself right here. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to go ahead and start getting out. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this until get that removed. All right, I got my 10mm on the ratchet. So we're going to go ahead and start removing those screws by holding that in. There. Okay, we got the screws removed. We're gonna go ahead and pull, lift up on this thing. Not too much, as you can see. Still have the harness that plugs in to operate the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and push this little clip in right here. You see, push down and kind of pull, and the wire removes straight out of there. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and remove the motor and the arm assembly. I'm gonna set that to the side. Now remember to keep all your screws and hardware, everything together. We're gonna go ahead and bag that up later on and label it so that way we can remember where everything goes. All right, now that we got that done, it's a little drain tube right here that goes through the firewall. It comes from the bottom side here for the water to run down from rain and when you wash your car. So we're gonna go ahead and push this up. Kind of fits in there snug, so we're gonna push it up to get it removed. Once it lifts, you go ahead and slide that out through there. We're gonna set this to the side also. So we know everything right here is from the top area by the windshield. So we're just laying everything in place right there. So that when we go to put it back, we kind of got an idea of everything, where it goes. Got a pretty good memory, so it won't be too difficult for me, but it's always best to label everything and have everything lined up so you'll know where it goes. You won't get mixed up or confused. All right, the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and start pushing this windshield wiper harness through the firewall by pushing this little rubber garment. And as you can see, you push it through and it'll free it up. And now it's like a little clip right here, so you can push these little tabs in, maybe go back I don't know if I can get it with my finger. Go back and grab a screwdriver. We'll get that done. Remove that little clip. It's kind of difficult to set the camera down for a moment. Okay, we got that loose. We're gonna just push that through there. Let that plug come out. Okay, as we got that out, don't pull too much. We have one located here on the brake for the brakes master cylinder. So we're gonna get that disconnected for that brake reservoir master cylinder. Now that that's done, go ahead and push this harness down to the side. And next we're gonna start disassembling this fire engine bay cover, keep the heat from getting to the brake lines. So we're gonna start removing that installation by taking these little clips off here. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a couple of those. We're gonna go ahead and pause this and get those removed.